How to send messages on Instagram if they have private account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can send messages on Instagram if the person you want to send message has a private account. So the steps are really simple, so watch the video till the very end. First of all, go by launching your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged into your device. Now on the search bar, you can simply search for the person that you are looking for. So if I want to send a message to the person right here, what can I do is, you can see on my screen on the top right side, there are 3 vertical dots right there. When I tap on this, among many options, as a last option, I will see the option of send message right there. When I tap on that here, then now I can simply tap any messages and then tap on the send button and send it to them. So this is how you can send a message to anyone, even if they have the private account right here. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Also comment on the comment section below.